If you're facing incorrect Instagram password error on your device, so how you can simply fix this issue and you can solve the error right away on your PC. To do this, what you mainly have to do is simply click on the Instagram account of yours here on your PC and then click on it. But the thing is, if the password is correct, you're entering the correct password, still it's saying the incorrect, then you simply have to check your internet connection that you're getting full strength Wi-Fi network or not. If not, please fix your PC and try changing the Wi-Fi network connection, because these type of issues only occurs when you have a weak network connection or you're unable to connect with the server so that Instagram can run smoothly on your device. So the main thing is simply check the network connection, and the last thing is simply restart your PC to check or to clear all the background applications or any type of lags, bugs. It will be fixed by restarting it. The final thing is you can simply restart your PC and then you will see you aren't facing any type of error like that.